Hi there, happy Friday. Today is your Friday, April 17th math review corrections video. So to start with, we have subtraction 10,006 minus 392. In the ones place, we can do 6 minus 2, it's 4. 6 is larger than 2. If you move to the tens place, you're unable to subtract because we have 0 on top. So we need to go way over to the 10,000s place where we can regroup from. We're going to take that 10,000. We don't have any left. So now we have 10 thousands. We still need to regroup to help these two place values. So take 1,000. We now have 9,000 and 10 hundreds. We have one more place to regroup, 9 hundreds and 10 tens. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. You do not have to write that 0 since it's at the front of your number. Your final answer should be 9,614. Give yourself a star for that answer. For rounding, we have 992,449. Rounded to the nearest hundred thousands place. So on your number line, we are going to be counting by hundred thousands. In 992,449, we have 900,000. So that's your bottom number. And then one more 100,000 pushes us over to the next place value. It puts us in the millions place. Halfway in between, we have 950,000. If you plot this number, we have 992. I know 992 is larger than 950. It's going to be pretty close up here. 992,449. It's above the midpoint, so it's going to round up to 1 million. So that's your answer on this one, 1 million. Give yourself a star for 1 million. Next problem, we have multiplication using the area model. Today, we're doing 14 times 35. Set up your area model, divide up your tens and ones. We have 30, 3 tens is worth 30, and 5 ones. And then we have 1 10, which is worth 10, and 4 ones. In this first box, 30 times 10, well, we know whenever we multiply by 10, it moves over one place on the place value chart. So that changes us from 30 to 300. 10 times 5 is 50. 30 times 4 is 120. I know 3 times 4 is 12, plus moving over one place on the place value chart. And then 4 times 5 is 20. Now that we have all of our partial products, we need to add them all up to get our final product for the entire answer. Make sure you line up your place values here. Let's see, in the ones place, we have 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 4 hundreds. So your final answer should be 490. 14 times 35 is 490. Give yourself a star for the answer there. For division, we're practicing the multiplication step in the area model or standard algorithm of division. To start with, we have 5 times another factor gets us close to 53. Just a reminder, I put the squiggly equal sign because it's not exactly 53, it's close to it. Well, we need to get from 5 to 50, so that'll be times 10. 3 more. If we add 5 more, that would push us over 53, so we are going to stick with 5 times 10. The next one is 4 times a factor gets us close to 18. You can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20 would be too high. So it's going to, we're counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. The next one will push us to 20, which is too high. So it'll be 4 times 4. Sorry about that. And then our final one is 7 times a factor equals 30. 7 times 3 is 21. We can get a little bit closer. 7 times 4 is 28. If we were to add another group of 7, it would go over 30. So it'll be 7 times 4. Give yourself a star for each of those that you got correct. That's a total of 3 stars that you can give yourself. Okay, on our word problem today, we have, there are 32 adults and 4 children. How many times adults do we have than children? So if we have 4 children, and we want to know times how much to get to 32 adults, or you could say there's 32 adults. How many times more is that than 4? 4 times 8. So there are 8 times as many adults. Oh, we can squeeze it in. Make sure you have a complete sentence and end punctuation. You can get a star for your sentence, and you can get a star for 8 times as many. So today, your total amount of stars is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 becomes your denominator. Go ahead and write your numerator. How many stars did you earn? Great job. Happy Friday. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.